So inside ALX backend JavaScript, create your readme, then you create the folder of this project. So I'm gonna paste the name. Okay, let's go inside it. Let's create another readme inside. Okay, we are good. Now inside this folder we're gonna create 3 config files that they give us. So if we check in the requirements, there's 3 config, click on them, you're gonna see the content, copy it here. So this is the one, touch the first one, second one, and the package JSON. Gonna create them, then go inside them and copy the content. So most important one is this one, package JSON. Okay, just paste it and then save. Then we're gonna do the same with ES6. Okay, just paste the ES6 that they give us and save the file. And the last one is Babel. Okay, now that we have all the config, let's do npm install, but before that let's check what version of Node we have. Node. Okay, it's not the same as the one they told us, so let's install Node. And by the way, it doesn't matter, some people work with the latest version and still work. So to install 12.11, you can use this command. You can find them in Discord, or you can check the video description, they are there. So first command, curl okay, just wait until you see something like this. You can restart the terminal. I'm gonna just refresh this sandbox. Let's refresh the page. Okay, now the second command, npm install. Okay, enter. Okay, now using this, it did switch to default, but just to make sure it is in default, let's do it again. And now if you check node -v, okay, we have the correct version. Let's continue. Now we need to do npm install after we did the 3 config, right? So cd 0xls minus. Okay, now we're gonna do npm install. It's gonna take some time, so this is gonna like install all the packages inside packages. Just give it some time and wait, and you should find a new folder called node modules. It's gonna take some few minutes, just wait. Okay, finally it finished installing. Okay, now if you do ls, you're gonna see this folder here. We don't want to push this folder, so let's create in your file. So in the root of the repo, we're gonna create sudo v get in your, then inside it node modules. Okay, that's it. Okay, I'm gonna copy one of the task code just to make sure it's working. So let's start with the task 0. So sudo v, the file name of task 0. So they give us the code that we're gonna work with. Let's paste it. Okay, this is the one. Save. Let's create the main sudo v. Also they give us the code. Let's paste it and see. Okay, now we have the command that we're gonna run. It's also in the example. npm run diff main.js. Now this should show the same text that are in example. Okay, it did take a while. That's normal because sandbox slow. But if you notice, the text is here. In this part right here, okay, the code output, it starts from this line. So modify your task file and then do npm run diff and check if you have the correct one. Other thing is there is ESL length, it's like BT for C. So maybe your code is correct, but you still have a length problem. How to check that? With this command npm run length, then the file name, right? And then it's gonna show you all the problems you have in your code. Okay, for example, it shows us the code. Now how can I read this? So in this part right here, the main part is this one. So it's gonna show you the file name that have problem and line number, error, unexpected var, use let or const, because this is the task that we didn't edit this file, so it still have this problem. And yeah, so after you edit this file and you do this run length, you should not be any problem. It should be clear. I will show you example. Okay, I edit the file. Let's see. I'm not sure. Maybe I did some mistake. Let's see. So run length. Let's wait. Okay, you see here there is no errors. And if I run the file again, it should say the same output. Okay, we have same output, no error. We didn't forget to readme file. You should be fine. Good luck.